Al Khair Foundation requires your urgent support in providing vital aid to the long-suffering Rohingya in Myanmar and for the refugees who have fled their homes and villages to the Cox's Bazar district of Bangladesh, who now currently reside in overcrowded camps across the Bangladesh and Myanmar border. Just £50 will provide food sustenance in either a food pack or cooked meals. £30 will provide clean water supplies. £25 delivers a hygiene kit for a family. And £100 provides a shelter tent for safety and security. Support the Rohingya people now by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.